Hello, we are FTC Team 3486 TechnoWarriors Advanced, and we would like to welcome all of you to the 2020-2021 Ultimate Goal First Tech Challenge season. Over the next few minutes, we will share with you information that we think is of value and you will find in the firstinspires.org website. We hope this information helps you. Remember, you can always reach out to our team during the season if you have any questions. And we want to wish all of you good luck. Before we start, we want to thank First and our mentors amid the pandemic for continuing to engage young people in exciting programs that build science, engineering, and technology skills, that inspire innovation, and that foster well-rounded life capabilities, including self-confidence, communication, and leadership. Thank you. First offers so much information and resources in the firstinspires.org website. As a general view of what these are, we will introduce you to the First FTC Resources site and to the Game and Season info. We will show you some resources on game materials, robot building, programming, team management, scholarships, and also the Center for Mathematics and Science Education page. This presentation will introduce you to some information and resources offered through the First website. We will focus on some of the First Tech Challenge sections. We hope you find this presentation informative and helps you during this and future seasons. After this presentation, you should be able to identify on which website you can find the FTC Robot Wiring Guide, describe what is the Robot Reliability Checklist, identify on which website you can find the information about programming autonomous mode, and identify where you can find tips about the notebook. There are many resources available at www.firstinspires.org, and we are just going to highlight a few that you can explore later on your own time. On the first page, under Programs, First Tech Challenge, go to Game and Season. Here you will find game materials, robot building resources, programming resources, team management resources, and scholarships. Here you can find the game manuals. The website has both the original and the updated versions. You can ask questions about the game and season through the First Tech Challenge forum. You can also navigate to programming resources and robot building resources from this page. For this presentation, we'll be going to the robot building resources. In the robot building resources, you can find a multitude of resources to help you during the season, including building guides, design resources, programming resources, technology resources, and wiring resources. We will explore the Robot Wiring Guide. The Robot Wiring Guide is a 35-page manual explaining how to properly wire a robot. It can be downloaded and printed for your team's use. Now, we will go to the 3D printing, PTC software, and SOLIDWORKS. The robot building resources also contains tips about 3D modeling. Depending on which program you use, you can find information. The robot reliability checklist can also be found in the robot building resources. The checklist is a list that you can use before and after each match to ensure that everything on the robot is in working order. It includes things that are easy to go unnoticed, such as ensuring that all electrical connections are secure. In the robot programming resources, you have the Blocks Programming Guide, the Blocks Programming Autonomous Mode, the Robot Building Resources, and the Team Management Resources. Let's go to the Block Programming Autonomous Mode. As with the Robot Wiring Guide, you can see the Blocks Programming Autonomous Mode. Scroll down and you will see the table of contents. It is very easy to use. You can print it out or read it on the screen on your computer. The Team Management Resources is found in the Programming Resources. There, you can find information on things like fundraising, scholarships, and the engineering notebook. Although the Team Management Resources can be found in the Programming Resources, it can also be accessed through the First Tech Challenge Game and Season info page. Some of the resources found at the first website are going to be more useful to your mentors. Look under Mentor Training Resources for resources for them and what they do. Now, we are going to look at the Team Roles and Responsibilities worksheet. The Team Roles and Responsibilities worksheet is something that your team can pull out when planning how to organize your team this year. You can decide who's going to do what. There are many more resources found under the Team Management tab. The Team Management Resources contains complete sections of resources for fundraising, marketing and team info, and for the engineering notebook. Now, not all of these things may be up to date. Throughout the season, as the season progresses, usually any documents are updated to reflect the new season. The last thing we are going to show you in the First Inspires website are the scholarships. To find them, go under Community and choose Scholarships. You will see First Scholarship Opportunities. There's so much money available to students through First. You are valuable. These skills and what you know are of value to people who want to educate and hire you. So, become familiar with all the scholarship opportunities that are available to you. We also want to bring to your attention the Center for Mathematics and Science Education at the University of Mississippi. They are the First Tech Challenge program sponsor in our state. As this year's season progresses, this is where you would go to find information on what the season is going to look like and what to expect. The site also offers great resources to bookmark. We hope that you will take the time to look into these resources, and we hope that these are helpful to you and your team. Thank you. If you ever have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our team. We are always willing to help.